Hi everyone. Today I'm going to give you 3 tips so that you can finish your year strong and head into 2026 with momentum and alignment like never before. If you exclude weekends and holidays, we actually only have 36 working days left. So every day counts. So let's jump in. The first one is to finish your 2026 business plan. And I don't want you just to think about all the things that you need to add and do next year. I want you to think about, what do you need to eliminate and say no to as you head into 2026? Who do you need to become in order to hit your goals for 2026? And with your business plans, make sure you have clarity on the key elements of a plan. And that is to make sure you know how many appointments set, held, and how many clients you need to sign every month to hit your goal at the end of 2026. The second thing to do before the year is over is go through your finances. Make sure if you've been spending money on anything in your business that you see a return on your investment. Go through your expenses. And I'm not just talking about business. Go through your personal expenses and figure out where you need to do some cleanup, maybe shave off some of those subscriptions you forgot that you signed up for, and go into 2026 with clarity. And the last but not least is resist the urge to coast. We have to spend these last weeks and months of the year lead generating. The reason is your spring success is built now. So we want to make sure that we are cleaning up our CRM, that we're calling all of our clients. It's the perfect time of year to do that, to wish them happy holidays and see how their year went, and see if they have any plans in terms of real estate for 2026 or any questions about where the market is headed. So complete your 2026 business plan, go through your finances, both personal and business, do some cleanup. And then number 3 is resist the urge to coast. Lead generation, my friends. That is what's going to build momentum as you head into the new year. If I can help you with any of these, please just reach out. I'm a phone call or an email away. I'm happy to answer any questions and support you any way I can. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Until next time, I'm Jacqueline Smith with Evergreen Real Estate Partners.